All right, we're gonna make our way back. Show you guys the rest of the boardwalk. This little inlet we came over to sit and kind of hang out for a little bit. Hugh T. Cooper. It's an inlet parking. So we got the Wedge restaurant. Kind of cool.
This one up.
What?
I looked that one up. It was funny.
Oh, to get in there? It was like $5.
No.
Oh, this one? Oh, the Harrison restaurant? Raw bar?
But I'm gonna look at that one. I'll look at that one where that was on the way back. I'll remember which one it was. The one that I mentioned on the way up.
Yeah.
I can't think of the name.
Yeah, it's kind of a cool place. I mean, it's, you can tell it's kind of older, but I gotta get a picture. With me, I guess. So, all right, let's see. Perfect. There you go. All right. I'll walk over here. I'll walk down there and walk over there. Cruise on down here. Little sand. All right. Cross. We'll go over here. So you can sit out there and hang out. You can tell the boats. I gotta get myself a shirt or something way back. Maybe worth my while. I have a very slight collection of shot glasses, so they have something going on over here. So, cruise along here. Go ahead. State law, you're supposed to stop for people in the crossway. You're Public Works. Shame on you. Ocean City Life Saving Museum. I've seen a few videos where they're like 45-minute videos of the whole thing. I'd rather break up in 10 minutes at a time for every day. So kind of more fun. I guess a high crime rate, I guess, here. What's this? It says it's disqualified. State record, largest mako shark. So, Poor Man's Canyon. Controlled homemade lure with fashion. Fight. As the shark was shot, it was disqualified. Fish and Game Commission. Oh, I see. Built 1891, dedicated museum, 1978. So, $1930. Ocean Beach Patrol, 2018. 207 employees. Conducted 300. A little over 3,500 rescues. My goodness. There's the museum.
The big one.
Yeah, for that bad boy. 27 miles off the coast.
1,210-pound tiger shark. By a woman.
Yep. There's a doggy candy cafe. Boutique and bakery. Oh, I still live with my parents. Goodness.
Cute.
Oh, look at all that. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Yep. What?
They're like some are like for no longer here.
Yep. Bernice.
Welcome. Can I help y'all find something?
Oh, she's got. Oh. The dogs. Never RV alone, so true. While the driver's listening in the chair. But anyways, the last part of this is just down here is all, it's a Ferris wheel and other stuff. You can kind of tell. We had ice cream. Ferris are fun, it takes so long to get on them. So you can, down here there's a whole bunch of mirror maze. They've got a oh, what the hell's that one called? Ripley's Believe It or Not. So, but, got a bunch of souvenirs shops on here, food left and right. So, all that. Actually have bathrooms here and they're actually pretty clean, so welcome to Ocean City. But as you can see, you guys, you name it, they got it. So more sweatshirts, all kinds of good stuff. So hope you enjoyed the little nickel tour on the 9th day of May 2024. You have all kinds of stuff down there, so this is yep. Shoes galore. Instant stash machine. Rides. Everything else. So, anyways, guys, see you next time.